Don't skip the video. Stay with me until the end. I will tell you how much money you will win. I will send you all beats, all instrumentals, so you can choose. Don't contact me if you don't watch and understand all rules. I'm gonna ask you if you already watched them. You might have questions, but I am not gonna tell you all rules one by one. You have to watch the video if you need to participate with this competition. Stay with me until the end of the video. I'm gonna go ahead to the rule 1. I'm gonna wait first and explain after. Rule 1. The competition will take place on Facebook and YouTube. Rule 1. The competition will take place on Facebook and YouTube. I think there's not too much to explain. I'm gonna use two platforms, Facebook and YouTube, to organize the competition. Rule 2. For singing or rapping, choose the beat that you like among those I will send you. Write your own lyrics down in the language of your choice with any title you want over the entire duration of the beat. And there should be 2 or 3 choruses. Play the beat with an audio player. Sing or rap like in normal music with your natural voice, without microphone, without a studio. Film yourself with just one phone to make the video and send it to me. The video should not be edited. You can place people around of you or behind you to move or dance with you. Quickly, I'm gonna explain you. So I'm gonna send you a couple of beats that you're gonna listen to them one by one, and you will choose one you like the most. After choosing it, you're gonna write your own lyrics on this beat with any language of your choice. It doesn't have to be English. Any language, you can rap or you can sing. You're gonna write down your lyrics in this language. You have to do it over the entire duration of the beat. For example, if the duration of the beat is 3 minutes, you're gonna do it in the entire duration of the beat, all 3 minutes. If the duration of the beat is 4 minutes, you're gonna do it for 4 minutes. There should be 2 or 3 choruses. It will depend on you. You have to sing or rap like in normal music with your natural voice, without microphone, without studio. I used to see some people use some application for mixing or for editing voice. Don't use them. Don't make any modification in the video. Don't write down anything. Don't change the brightness. Don't change the color. Don't change anything in the video. You can do it by yourself, or you can place people around of you or behind you to move with you or to dance with you. It's up to you. Rule 3. For the dance. Dance for the entire duration of the beat you choose in any dance style you want. Film yourself with a single phone to make the video and send it to me. The video should not be edited. You can dance in solo or you can make it in group. I think that it is similar to the previous condition. You're gonna choose the beat you like and you're gonna dance over the entire duration of the beat. No modification, and send it to me. You can do it by yourself or you can do it in group. Rule 4. You have 4 days to send the video. The first day begins the day after you receive the beat. If you have any difficulties and you cannot send the video in 4 days, write to us and request additional days. If you do not write, your video will not be received. After receiving all instrumentals, all beats, you have 4 days to realize your performance. The day 1 begins the day after you receive the beat. For example, if you receive the beat today, the day 1 will be tomorrow. And if you have any difficulties, you have to message us and inform us about that. If you don't do that, your video will not be received. You might be able to participate in the next competition, in the next edition, but this one you won't be able to anymore. Rule 5. You must dispose the phone in landscape format. That is to say, as if the phone was laying down. Otherwise, we will ask you to redo the video. The landscape format, what is it? This is the landscape format. Rule 6. You must dress and style your hair decently with beautiful clothes. What I mean by that? So in the previous edition, a lot of people contact me and ask me if they have to buy new clothes or if they had to cut their hair off. I said no, you don't have to buy new clothes. Between what you've got, you can choose the beautiful ones and you can dress yourself. And about your hair, make a good arrangement. Rule 7. You must look for a beautiful background to make the video. If you want your video appears like professional, you should look for a beautiful background to do your video. It is very important. If you don't look for a beautiful background to do it, so I'm gonna ask you to redo the video. Okay? Rule 8. If you do not respect the rules, you will be asked to redo the video. You will still have 4 days. The first day start the day after. We ask you to redo the video. If you have any difficulties and you cannot send the video in 4 days, write to us and ask us additional days to redo it. If you don't, your video will not be received. I think that I have already explained this condition, so I don't need to give too much details about that. Rule 9. After sending the competition video, you will make another short video separately with different clothes to present yourself in English. You will say your name, the country where you live, and that you are happy to participate in the KRAK Terminato online singing, rap, and dance competition. And thank you. Only that. Don't be too long. In the previous edition, a lot of participants talked a lot. I should have cut them off. Then don't be too long. Rule 10. I will publish the video on the YouTube channel and the competition Facebook page. And I will give you the links of the video so that you can promote them while sharing them on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, currently called X, and so on, to get a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, a lot of likes, a lot of comments, a lot of shares. To win this competition, you will need a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, a lot of shares, a lot of likes, a lot of comments. You should do a good promotion for them. If you don't do it, so you won't be able to win this competition. It is very important to share them as much as possible and ask your friend, your family to help you to promote your link, your 2 links, the Facebook link and the YouTube link, to get a lot of views, a lot of likes, a lot of comments, a lot of subscribers, a lot of followers, and a lot of shares. If you don't do it like that, so you won't be able to win this competition. Rule 11. To win the competition, you must be the first participant to reach out 10,000 points on YouTube and 20,000 points on Facebook together at the same time. What does that mean? There are 2 requirements to be the winner. To become the winner of this competition, you will need 10,000 points on YouTube and 20,000 points on Facebook. You should reach out to them together at the same time. If you do one and you don't do the other one, that means you are not doing it. So only the participant who will do them together will win the competition. For example, 10,000 points on YouTube. But now you have 20,000 points left on Facebook. There can be a participant after you who reach out to 10,000 points on YouTube, and after he gonna reach the 20,000 points on Facebook before you. That means he gonna be the winner because he do them together at the same time first before you. That is very important to understand. If you have 20,000 points on Facebook and you don't have 10,000 points on YouTube yet, you are not doing it. Only the participant who have them both together will win the competition. I think that I give all sharp details about that to understand it. Rule 12. To have 1 point on YouTube, the voter must do these 3 things. The first thing he has to do: subscribe and click the bell, watch the video, like and comment the video. If the voter misses one, the point won't be granted. That's why while sharing the link of your video, while asking your friend and family to help you to promote your video, you should explain them very well that it is very important for them, for the voters, to do all these three things. The first one, subscribe and click the bell. The second one, watch the video. The third one, likes and comment. Very important. Rule 13. To have 1 point on Facebook, the voter must do these three things. The first one, click on the follow button to follow the Facebook page. The second one, watch the video. The third one, like and comment the video. The first one, click the follow button, follow the Facebook page. The second one, watch the video. The third one, like and comment the video. It is the same requirements. If the voter misses one, the point won't be granted. I'm gonna count down only eligible points. Rule 14. There is no date for the competition to be ended. As soon as a participant wins, the competition will end automatically. And I will check if the second and the third participant meet the requirements to receive the prize for this rule. So every time I explain it again, I re-explain it, so some participants always ask me when the competition will end. You should understand that. So I don't know when a participant gonna reach out the requirements to win the competition. That means when it's gonna have 10,000 points on YouTube and 20,000 points on Facebook. So I don't know when. Even the participants don't know when they're gonna reach out these two requirements. That's why I've told you, I've explained you. Once a participant is reaching out these two requirements, having 10,000 points on YouTube and 20,000 points on Facebook, the competition will end automatically. And I'm gonna check immediately if the second and the third participant meet the requirements to receive the prize. If the second and third participant don't meet the requirements to receive the prize, they won't be receiving anything. I give a lot of details so as you understand better and better. Rule 15. For the second and third participant to be eligible to receive the prize, as soon as the competition is over, they must be in these intervals between 9,500 to 9,999 points on YouTube, and between 19,500 and 19,999 points on Facebook. If the second or the third one is not in this interval, he will not receive any prize. I'm gonna explain better. When a participant is reaching out the 10,000 points on YouTube and 20,000 points on Facebook together, that means he is the winner. And immediately I'm gonna check if the second participant is located in this interval. First, on YouTube, he has to be between 9,500 to 9,999 points on YouTube. He should be between this interval. And the interval on Facebook that he should be in is 19,500 to 19,999 points on Facebook. He should be between in this interval, either on YouTube or on Facebook. If one or other one are outside of this interval, they won't be eligible to receive the prize. This is very clear. That means you can win the second place and you are not eligible to receive your prize. You can win the third place and you are not eligible to receive your prize. To be eligible to receive your prize, you should be located in this interval that I just talked about. It is very clear. Rule 16. The winner of the singing and rap competition will receive 1,000 United States dollars. The second will receive 600 United States dollars, and the third will receive 400 United States dollars. These are the prize for the first one, second one, and the third one. The first one will receive 1,000 United States dollars, the second 600 United States dollars, and the third one 400 United States dollars. And the winner of the 10th competition will receive 1,000 United States dollars. The second place will be granted 600 United States dollars, and the third place 400 United States dollars. I'm gonna say it again. The first place for the winner of the 10th competition will receive 1,000 United States dollars. The second place will receive 600 United States dollars, and the third one will receive 400 United States dollars. Very simple. The last one, how you will receive the money. You will receive the money by transfer method 2 weeks later. What I mean by that? As you know, there are a lot of countries around the world in this competition. I don't know in which country that the winner gonna be located in. So when I have the winner, I'm gonna contact him to know which transfer method is better for him or for her, and to send the money. Okay? I think that it is very, very clear and easy to understand. The winner either for the singing or rap competition or the dance competition will receive the money 2 weeks later. I think that it was a great pleasure to be with you, to talk to you, to explain you everything and nothing about this competition. So I wish you good luck. I hope that you will be the winner, and see you for the next competition, the 6th edition of the KRAK Terminator online singing, rap, and dance competition. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the bell. Share it as much as possible. Click the follow button on Facebook and share them as much as possible. Thank you.